Hello everyone! In our last video, we took a ferry to the Kadıköy Ferry Terminal, and in this video, we're going to visit the Tepe Nautilus Shopping Mall. It is located very close by, so you can easily reach it on foot in about 15 to 20 minutes. Tepe Nautilus is one of the long-standing shopping centers in Istanbul. It opened back in 2002 and has remained a popular place for both locals and visitors. Now, let's go inside. We enter the lowest level, known as Bodrum, floor B1. This floor is very practical and functional. It's the perfect place if you're looking for groceries, electronics, or household goods. Here, you'll find the large CarrefourSA hypermarket. For many locals and travelers, this store is the main attraction of the shopping center. It's a classic Turkish hypermarket, spacious with long aisles and very clear navigation. The fruit and vegetable section is especially impressive. Nearby, you can also find baskets of fresh bread and a section with ready-made desserts. Another highlight is the prepared food area and small cafe inside the supermarket itself. This is a perfect place for anyone who wants to eat like a local without paying restaurant prices. Now we go one level up to the next floor, Z level, Zemin Kat. This floor is where the well-known international chain stores begin, the ones many visitors come to the mall specifically to see. The Z level can be considered the face and central hub of Tepe Nautilus. In simple terms, this is the floor of premium mass-market brands and global retailers. The space is designed for classic shopping, wide walkways, tall storefronts, and interiors created to make the experience visually enjoyable. Now let's go one level higher. We arrive at the first floor. This level focuses on leisure, family shopping, and Turkish brands. Many stores here feature strong local fashion labels and everyday clothing. The atmosphere on this floor feels slightly calmer and more relaxed, making it comfortable for browsing. Next, we go one more level up. Welcome to the second floor. This level can be described as the territory of food, entertainment, and technology. Here you often find large toy stores, such as Toyzz Shop, as well as shops with creative supplies. There's also a branch of JYSK, known for its Scandinavian-style home design. Sometimes you might even spot a sleeping cat on one of the display beds, which adds a charming and very Istanbul-like touch to the experience. Nearby is an arcade zone with game machines, small rides, and claw machines. This floor also features a large food court area, an open space with shared tables. Here you can find many different types of cuisine, from quick snacks to full meals. Another interesting area is the Tepe Teras zone, which feels like a small green island inside the shopping center. The space is decorated with artificial trees, hanging plants, and many small lights. From this upper level, you also get a great view of the entire shopping mall. For convenience, there are modern elevators that allow visitors to quickly reach any floor, making it easy and comfortable to move around the mall. That's it for our little tour of the shopping mall. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.